Okay guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you how to create multiple wallets on Terminal. That is, first, you are going to learn how to export your wallet if you are using Terminal. Terminal is formerly called Padre. It's one of the best platform to trade meme token, other crypto. Yeah, so you are going to learn how to create multiple wallets, how to import fresh wallet or your existing wallets, maybe your Phantom wallet and the rest. You have money on Phantom, but you don't want to transfer it. You can simply import that wallet to this platform. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And let's assume you create a new wallet on this platform, or the wallet that was automatically created for you when you are creating this particular account on this platform. If you want to export it out, I'm going to show you how to do that as well. And many other things you are going to learn. Maybe you want to group your wallets, you want to add withdrawal wallets, among others. So the first thing you need to do when you come to this platform currently called Terminal, which is formerly Padre, just click on portfolio, which is at the base of this platform. Look at it, that is a portfolio. So once you click on portfolio, then you make sure you click on wallet. You can see wallet is highlighted, as you can see up here. Wallet is highlighted. This is portfolio at the left side. So once you click on wallet, for instance, let's assume you have a wallet on Phantom and you want to import it to this place. So you simply copy the private key of that wallet and you come to this place, then click on imports. So once you click here, select the blockchain, then paste the private key of that your wallet from Phantom, from MetaMask, from SoFlare, among others. So that is what you do. And let's assume you want to create a new wallet, which is very simple. Look at where to create it. You click there. Once you click there, then you click on new wallet. And if you want to create a group, click on new group. So that is how to do that. Also, if you want to export your wallet, for instance, the wallet you are having here, you want to export them to another wallet. So what you simply need to do, first of all, you need to select the wallet, or you can simply pick it. Look at this key, that key icon. If you click on that key icon, that means I want to show you, I want to copy the private key of that wallet. You can tick, yes, you can tick the wallet now, so that it will only show it. Then if I click on this place, you can see what it's telling me: hold to refill the private key. So let's assume I want to reveal the private key of this particular wallet. I will click it and hold it, so it will show me, which I'm not going to do. Remember, your private key is very, very sensitive. It must be known only by you. If there is any other person that is getting hold of it, whatsoever you can do on that wallet, that particular person that is getting hold of it can do it as well. So anybody that holds your private key has every authority on that wallet. So that is why it's important you make sure you keep your private key private. Yes, so just click on it and you will be able to copy that private key. Some other thing you can do, which I'm going to show you briefly here, you can say if you want to make a private transfer, you can do it here. You can make a normal transfer. This private transfer, I think most people normally, the developers normally make use of that. So if you click on private transfer, you will be able to transfer your tokens without it will be difficult for all these AI agents to track it, or AI tools that will track it. They won't be able to track it. So that is a private transfer. And there's so many other things. If you want to name your wallet, for instance, if I want to name this wallet, so what you need to do, click on this pencil icon. Look at this pencil icon. You click on it so that you can give the wallet whichever name you want. So this one is still showing a private. For instance, now let's assume I want to write, see, so let's assume I want to do that. What I need to do, I will just click on save. Here, as you can see the wallet has changed to my name. So if you click on this three dots at the end of the wallet there. If you want, you can archive the wallet. That means you want to keep this wallet off the visibility. Maybe you just go and hide it, or you just want to archive the wallet. So if I do that, this wallet is not going to show here. So if you are using Terminal, this is how to export, import, create new wallets, how to rename your wallets, and other things that I've taught you here. So Terminal is one of the best social channel where meme token are being traded. So if you have not been using it, if you want the link, I will add it to the description of this video or comment section as well.